Real warriors don't show their hearts until an axe cuts open their chests. Even in the sheath, the sword must be sharp. So too must the mind and the spirit be within the body. A person should not agree today to what he will regret tomorrow. Better to fight and fall than to live without hope. You will reach your destination even though you travel slowly. Life is not a level field. Life is hills and mountains, lowlands and ravines. The era is the result of letting fear rule your actions. Better to die with honor than live with shame. Not every cloud which darkens the day brings rain. When truth and fairness are different from what is law, better it is to follow truth and fairness. It is okay that you have made mistakes. Life didn't come with instructions. Only a coward waits to be taken like a lamb from the fold, or a fox from a trap. No one is a total fool if he knows when to hold his tongue. As one candle can light another, so too can greatness of mind be transferred amongst men. To remain in solitude is to deprive oneself of this kindling. Stand by your own trial, and not by what others say. When a real battle starts, you'll always find that there is no bravest man. Where wolf's ears are, wolf's teeth are near. That which has a bad beginning is likely to have a bad ending. The brave man shall fight and win, though dull his blade may be. Too much ale, and a man's heart is laid open for all to see. The more folk stand in the way of two hearts that yearn for each other, the hotter the flame of love waxes. All a people need in order to rise up against tyranny is a leader bold enough to take up the banner. There is more in honor in accumulating little by little than in reaching for the sky and ending up flat on your face. When men meet foes in fight, a stout heart is better than a sharp sword. Oftentimes, it is not numbers that wins the victory, but those who fare forward with the most vigor. The foolish man thinks he will live forever if he keeps away from fighting, but old age won't grant him a truce, even if the spears do. When fear leads the way, the destination is never glorious.